Good morning, Divergence traders. How y'all doing today? I hope you're all fine and dandy. Is everybody dandy? I'm sure you are. Okay. I was just over in the stream there, Patrick's stream. He says he lost today. And he didn't look very happy saying it, and he didn't look very happy after he said it. So maybe he really did. He's there with the Simba guy, the trade iffy guy. But anyway, I put my comment in there. I had to, right? I just had to. And I didn't mean it disrespectfully. I meant it with 1 gazillion% respect. Trying to tell them, hey, you should have been selling all the way down here, not buying. He says the Simba guy got him long. That's what he says. That's what Pat says. But right from way up here, even over here, it was all sell, 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 all the way down, and it still hasn't crossed up the 5 on top of the 7, the pink line. Oh, maybe it's about to do it now. I stopped trading. It was over here. It was actually no. I jumped in one more right here. That's right. It started crashing. I jumped in. Boom! I took the profit. That was it. And at that time, Pat was saying, "Oh no, that's enough for me. I'm done. I'm done." And so am I done. Sometimes you gotta quit while you're ahead, right? Where most traders make the money is in a trend. But when you see profit, you need to talk it because if you need to take it, because if you don't take it, the fucking market will. 100% it will. And then I had it taken from me a couple of times too. I got suckered in up here too to buying, and then they started fucking crashing. I didn't do this trade in here because it was too close to the open. I didn't want to, trade at like 9:36 or whatever it was in here. I said, no, I'm not doing that trade, right? But I definitely tried. Once it started trending down, I started trading in here all the way down, kept doing my little fucking scalp shots and taking money. But anyway, I feel bad that Patrick was buying today. Why was he buying? I don't know. Anyway, if you're going to listen to this video, Patrick, try a couple moving averages, like the 5 and the 7. And when the 5's below the 7, you can only sell, not buy. No buying. And when it's on top of the 7, you can only buy, not sell. It's very fucking simple. It's the, I don't know, I find it to be the ultimate tool in my trading. So I trade what I see, not what I think. So when price is, coming back up, you look for these dips to sell. Anyway, that's why I was not buying today and holding or whatever you were doing today. So anyway, that's enough chit-chat about that. But I keep telling you guys, they're silly, they're stupid, they're retarded, they're whatever you want to call it. But hey, the most simplest things work in life. Okay? You never heard the saying, it ain't broke, don't try to fucking fix it. Right? So I believe in these moving averages. I don't believe in price coming down and you can buy off the moving averages. That's how a lot of these, I've noticed now, I'm beginning to see that a lot of the traders of today, the new traders, that's what they're trading. They got the 200 and they got the 20 or 21 on their chart, and there's nothing wrong with that. I used to trade with the 21 also myself. But I learned a long time ago it's not effective. Not as effective as Divergence or, something else. Fibonacci, whatever. So anyway, let's show you the setups for today. This is a 30-second chart I'm looking at, actually. I better go back to the chart, the 1 minute. The 1 minute, it's too slow. It's too fucking slow now because this market. You see now it was hopping today? Oh my goodness. It was hopping like a motherfucker. Up and down, boom, boom. Out go the lights. Look at that, they're still selling off. Wow, stock market is crashing like they've been talking about. They say Trump's crashing the stock market. I don't fucking know. All that I know is I look at the chart and I look at my moving averages. Oh, 5's below. We can only sell. We can only look for sell setups. Okay? That's all I know. And I trade what I see, not what I think. Because I know if I go, oh, I think it's going to go up. I'm going to buy it. I don't do that shit. I used to do that shit, but I don't do it anymore. And I hope you guys don't after watching my videos on this. You gotta trade with the flow of the price movement. And the flow is down, so you only sell. And you see, all the way down, you could have done little pop sells, and boom, 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 take the profit. Look at that, we went right through S1, S2, and S3 today. Fucking wow. I don't know how many points were down. Let's see, 50, 100, 150 to its recent downward point. Okay, let's find the fucking trades here now. Come on. Let's get this going. Okay. So funny how these charts restructure themselves and everything looks so different. It's okay. Anyway, I moved my toolbox over here. I just moved it today. I'm going to try taking my tools from this side of the chart instead of way over here and always having to look way over there and blah, blah, blah. You know. Okay, so let's do this. Right here, double top. Entry was right there. Yeah, they're really selling this off today. Holy freak, man. Crazy. Yeah, we can't forget this one. This one was a big one. It was really good too. And because I was waiting for 9:30 to pass, I didn't trade this one. The one I'm talking about is this one right here. Okay. Is it this one? Yeah. Lower lows. Yeah. And this one pointing up, meaning the price is going to go up. See, I'm so used to going over here to my toolbox and it's not there. Oh, Jason, get your head together. Okay. There was the buy for that one, and it went up nicely. There's the sell for that one. Oh, I didn't finish marking it up. And I even measured this here. See, right there like that. And that lined up, and that was the sell trade to come down. This is where it was taking off up and back, and it's kind of crazy. This is a 1 minute chart, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute, see it? It's crazy, man. How it looks like a higher time frame. Even the 1 minutes doesn't move fast enough. That's why I was looking at the 30 second there earlier. Okay, I gotta have some water. Yeah, I started recording this today, and oh yeah, the phlegm started sticking to my vocal cords, so I had to start the whole show over again and hack up what I needed to hack up. So now I can talk and it's not sticking to my vocal cords. Okay, our next setup is this one right here. Even though it's not perfect, it doesn't have to be, ladies and gentlemen. Does not have to be perfect. See right here, it's a little shy. It's always a little shy on the right side. More so the right side than the left side. But anyway, right here, see? Boom. But that's so important, ladies and gentlemen. You got to trade what you see, not what you think. Because if you trade what you think, you're going to lose. And you're going to lose. And you're going to lose again. When you trade what you see and look for the setup, you know, with these two moving averages, this takes out 50% of you guessing that you're doing the right fucking thing when you're not. Okay? You look for, this is what I use, the two moving averages, the 5 below the 7. That means I can only sell all the fucking way down. And it's still going down and it's still never crossed up. Okay? And you just look for the higher close candles and boom, sell it down. You know, boom, sell it down. Boom, sell it down. You know, it's kind of hard to sell way down here. Like, come on. But you know what I'm saying? Trade what you see with your two eyes. I have two fingers pointing to my eyes right now. Trade what you see, not what you think. Now I'm poking my finger on my head. That's how you'll succeed in trading. That one little change of you guys trading what you see, not what you think or assume to think. You know, get that straight and then look for your setup and you'll be golden. Yes, indeed, you'll be golden. Okay, so there's that setup. This is the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. To me, it looks like a 5 minute. Anyway, look at, they're still pushing it down. Wow, the stock market and the stocks. I heard from the Simba guy that, yeah, they're all selling off Google and Microsoft and whatever. They're all, you know, part of this NASDAQ. You know, it's based on 100 different markets or whatever, right? The NASDAQ. So definitely Google and Microsoft and I don't know, whatever else. Amazon, whatever, you name it. Okay. What else do I want to say? Nothing. There was no buy trades all the way down here for the last 5 minutes. What time was that? Oh, at 5 to 9. No, 10. 5 to 10. Since 5 to 10, there hasn't been any like buy trades because we're stuck in this major downtrend. See, you see what kills traders is they can't believe, like, when the market moves down so much that it's so oversold. They think if I sell down there, I'm gonna sell at the bottom and it's gonna go back up. This is what they fear. Okay? And when the market's in an uptrend and it's rallied right up, they're gonna say, oh, I can't buy up here. It's overbought now. You know what I mean? Well, you gotta take your punches with your elbows, you know. You gotta do it or don't do it, you know? And today it was a day that you could only sell all the freaking way down. You know, it didn't cross back up the 5, so there was no buy trades all the way down. That's it. Okay, so yeah, I better put on a couple of these for you right here. Come on, you gonna do that to me? Yes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Took a while there for me to grab onto that. I'm having an aluminum moment. I'm about to throw out this aluminum pot that, well, my mom had it for, I still have it. It's an aluminum pot and I need to throw it away because I shouldn't scrape anything in that pot. I've just made so many boxes of Kraft Dinner in there. Kraft Dinner is macaroni and cheese in the United States. I'm sure everybody's heard of the macaroni cheese in the box. Okay, up here we call it Kraft Dinner in Canada. But anyway, I've eaten thousands of boxes in there with my metal spoon I used to make it with, scraping the aluminum pot. I just bought some new pots, a big chili pot and another pot. And I gotta try not to eat too much more aluminum before I forget my own fucking name. Mode Z. Anyway, yeah, if I were you, if you have aluminum pots at home, don't use them. They're not good. They're not good. Okay, higher close candle. Here, let me make it bigger. There, now you can see it. Sell it, and down it goes. Look at that, they're still dumping it. Wow. Wow, mama, wow. I'll tell you one thing, though. I do show my utmost respect, okay, to traders who hold on to these trends and they sell at the top and hold on and hold on and hold on and make thousands of dollars. I have so much respect for you. And the reason why I do is because I can't fucking hold it like that. That's why I'm a scalper. But I still do okay. Not as good as you, but I do okay. Okay, so that's it for the NASDAQ 1 minute. What does the 2 minute look like? Huh. We'll bring that over. See, there was no trades up here. Oh no, there was a trade here. Was there a trade up here? No. But you could stretch it out like this and like this. Yeah. There was a sell trade on the 5 minute too. Or on the 2 minute. Look at how it looks like the 5 minute. Yeah, it came all the way down there. Okay, let's look at MetaTrader. Yeah, XRP's down today. It's like everything's fucking crashing. The stock market stocks, the cryptos, you name it, they're fucking doing it. Okay, this is the 5 minute NASDAQ. It doesn't look too good, does it? No. See how we are looking at the 1 minute and we think it's too slow now? Look at the 5 minute. Look at that. There's no fucking trade up there. Up here I'm talking about to sell it to the downside. No. Let's see the S&P. It's probably the same kind of chart. Algo Jim's been here for a couple cups of coffee. There's no fucking trade up here. Fuck. And here's the Dow. Of course, they're really hammering the Dow. The Dow, whenever there's a stock market crash, the Dow crashes like no tomorrow. Look at that. There's 540 points right there from the top to the bottom. And there's no trade up here. There's no fucking trade. What'd the pound dollar do? Oh, pound has a trade. I think it has a couple. Oh, yeah, a couple trades. Oh, tired. Getting tired. Okay, put that up like that. Oh, wait a minute. We need to put that like that. There we go. And get a wick on that sucker, eh? There was the long right from there. Pound dollar, and it went up only 28 pips. And the euro did do something bigger. Oh yeah, euro did something bigger. Look at it. Look at it. Double bottom. And here's the divergence right here. Like always, like I show you every day. Every day I show you guys. Every day. How much was this trade? Yeah, it moved much more than the pound. It moved 53 pips. Right on. The euro. Not the pound. It moved more than the pound. And we had a couple of these along the way. Higher close. Or lower close. I mean lower close. Buy it, up it goes. Here's another one. We'll put one more on there, eh? Just for giggles. There we go. So why could you only buy, ladies and gentlemen? You can only buy in here all the way up. Why? Because the 5 was above the 7. How simple and stupid and silly that may seem to be to you. That's all it is. And it works beautifully. Pound yen. Okay. There's no trade up there either. There's one right here, though. Lower lows. And we got to get that arrow, right? Yeah, right there. And it went up 30 pips. That is the pound yen. There's no trade over here. It's just not. Unless you're going to try and trade the moving averages crossing each other. I don't know. Euro yen. We have one trade right here. Remember we look for the little blue mountain here? Yeah, we do. Right here. There's one thing I want to say. There's a lot of traders who always believe that the stock market goes up. And for the most part, it does, like all markets, because a lot of people cannot wrap it around their head to short it, the stock market. The stocks need to go up. So they have this bullish bias all the time. And there's one person, I was already talking about him today. I'm not saying this in a disrespectful way, but he has a bullish bias. He always wants the market to go up, like the NASDAQ. And every time that the NASDAQ comes down, he goes, we're getting in some trouble. Oh, we're getting in a little bit of trouble, because he wants it to go up. And that's probably part of the reason what happened to him today, unfortunately. That's one thing in trading. You can't have you got to have both of them in your brain. You got to be ready to buy it when it's time to buy it. You got to be ready to sell it when it's time to sell it. You can't just fucking assume or whatever. You got to see it with your own 2 eyes. And once you see it, then you can do it, and you can do it right. That's it. It's very simple. Because you gotta go with the flow of the market, whether it's going up or down. You can't favor one side of the market over the other. You gotta look at them both equal. Of okay, it's going up. I gotta look for a dip to buy, right? Or it's going down. I gotta look for somewhere where to sell. You can't. That's the only way you can make it in this business, with no bias. No bullish, no bearish. And when you get into a trade and you know it's you're on the fucking wrong side, you gotta make the decision as quick as you can to dump that losing trade and get on the right side of the trade. That's it. There's my scolding for today. Holy shit. It's all because of Patrick and what he said on his stream that got me saying all this today. And if you think about this, listen to it again. It'll make sense. It'll make total fucking sense. That's how you make money in the market. You gotta get on the right side of the movement, whether it's going up or it's going down. That's it. You can't have a bias favor a bias. You just can't. You'll just get in trouble. Okay, so here's the euro yen. We had a sell trade here. Where did it go? It went down 65, 66 pips. Yeah, and oil? What did the oil do? We have a double top up there. Yeah, right here. Right there. Boom shakalak. And we would have got short right in here somewhere. After the 5 crossed down below the 7, which tells you can only do sell trades all the way down to here. All the way down. But along the way, if you are a scalper, you'll look for a higher close candle, sell it, down it goes. Down it goes. And again, sell it, and down it goes. Higher close, sell it, and down it goes. There's another one. We'll stop there. That's enough. There's more of them. There's another one right here. Still in the mid-range too. Well, we got to mark that one too. Come on now. We gotta mark this one too. See? Higher close, sell it, whoosh, down it goes. If you held on again, whoosh, down here. Here's another one down here, but I wouldn't do it because you don't want to sell near the bottom. You want to buy near the bottom and sell near the top. Let's look at gold. Oh, we don't have it on auto scroll. Okay, there we go. Whoa, a little bit crazy today. Holy fuck, man. I was thinking of trading gold today. I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't. Okay. We have a double bottom, whatever, right there. And this one right here, like this. I hate this thing, how it clings to the candles. There. So we would have been buyers in here. Let me show you where. Right here. Why could we buy? Because the 5 was above the 7. That's why. That is definitely why. And how much did we go up? 109 right to R3 resistance. The Fibonacci pivots. That's what they are. Okay. What about this? Did we have something here? No. That's it. That's it for the markets that move. Let's now look at Bitcoin. Oh, she's coming down too. They're really motherfucker. They're really hammering this down, but they're coming down to get all the sellers down here. All the sellers selling when they should be holding. Hodling till we go higher, much higher. Right now, the big boys, they're buying your coins, man. And you're fucking selling them to them when you shouldn't be. Oh well. I've talked many times about this over and over again on these charts. Because you have coins that nobody can kick you out of those coins unless they go to zero. Then you lost. But trust me, I don't think that's happening. They just keep coming back for more orders because they didn't start trading in this market till recently. And it's been here since like 20, 2012 or 2013. That's when it was like 2 fucking cents. No, even less than that. 0.2 of a penny. That's where the price was back then. I didn't buy any back then either. I didn't jump in till 2017. But it's still cheap enough. Look, it's only $2.19. It's cheap, man. But I'm not a financial advisor. I don't tell you to buy anything, sell anything, smoke anything, drink anything, toke on anything. Okay? I'm just some fucking guy on the internet that knows a little bit about trading, I guess. I don't know, and I like to share it with people. I hope it helps you in your endeavors. So anyway, I want to thank you all for watching and listening today. Today is Friday. It's now 10 to 11. If you're going to trade, keep trading this afternoon. Be careful. We could have some wild moves because the NASDAQ was moving very erratically today. I don't even know why. There was no news when it was doing these wicked moves up and down and moving fast. But yeah, it caught me on the wrong side a couple of times, and I just closed the trade as quick as I could. Got in other trades, and and made the little loss that I just had make it back. That's what you got to do. Sometimes you'll trade like 4 or 5 trades, and 2 or 3 of them could be losses, but you got to make up for the losses and make profit. That's what you got to do. So anyway, have a nice weekend and good luck and good trading.